Dolphins, even smarter than you think. Dolphins are amazing creatures. They live in the ocean, but they are not fish. They are mammals, just like us. Dolphins are known for being smart, but just how smart are they? Smarter than you think. Dolphins can learn quickly. They can solve problems. They even seem to have their own language. Let's dive in and learn more about these incredible animals. Talking with whistles and clicks. Dolphins can't talk like people, but they have their own special ways to communicate. Dolphins make whistling sounds. These whistles are for talking to each other. Each dolphin has a unique whistle. It's like their name. Dolphins also use clicks. These clicks are high-pitched sounds. Dolphins use clicks to find food. The clicks bounce off objects in the water. This helps dolphins see even in dark or murky water. This is called echolocation. Dolphins are very social animals. They live in groups called pods. Dolphins in a pod communicate with each other all the time. They use their whistles and clicks to share information. This includes where to find food, warnings about danger, and even just to play. Clever hunters, smart problem solvers. Dolphins are very good hunters. They work together to catch fish. Dolphins will circle a school of fish. This forces the fish into a tight ball. Then the dolphins take turns swimming through the ball. They catch the fish easily. Scientists have observed dolphins using tools. In some places, dolphins use sponges to help them find food. They will cover their snout with a sponge. This protects them from getting hurt by rocks or coral. Then they can search for food in difficult places. Dolphins can learn new things quickly. Scientists have taught dolphins many different behaviors. They can learn to follow commands. They can even learn to mimic human actions. This shows that dolphins are very intelligent animals. Like us, dolphins live in pods. These highly social animals thrive in groups, which can range from just a few members to dozens or even hundreds in some cases. Living in these pods is crucial for their survival. It allows them to work together to find food, protect each other from predators, and learn vital life skills. Young dolphins, for instance, learn how to hunt and survive by observing the older members of their pod. The bonds formed within these groups are strong and complex, with researchers believing that dolphins can remember each other for many years, even after being separated. Recognizing themselves in the mirror is a remarkable ability that dolphins possess, marking a clear sign of self-awareness. This trait is so rare that scientists use what's called the mirror test to determine if animals can understand that the image in the mirror is actually themselves and not another creature. During this test, a mark is placed on the animal's body, and it's then positioned in front of a mirror. If the animal tries to touch or investigate the mark on its own body, it indicates an understanding that the reflection is indeed a representation of itself. This level of self-awareness points to a complex cognitive ability, demonstrating that dolphins possess a high level of intelligence. They're not just reacting to their environment, they are consciously thinking about themselves and their place in the world. Are dolphins smarter than apes? Well, it's hard to say exactly how intelligent dolphins are, since we can't exactly give them IQ tests. However, by observing their behavior, what we see is truly amazing. Dolphins exhibit signs of intelligence that rival those of some primates like chimpanzees. They engage in complex communication, solve problems, and even display a sense of self. So while it's a tough question to answer definitively, what we do know is that dolphins are incredibly intelligent creatures. They certainly deserve our respect and protection. What do you think? Share your thoughts about these amazing creatures.